Let's see, till now what we have done. We have created four text types, ZD01, ZD02, and the ZD03. All three are like, all three like this are manual text entry basis text types. Okay, this is manual. Okay, this is what we have seen. So in addition to that, we have added what we have added. So in addition to that, we have added auto one. Okay, this is auto populated one. So let me change the color for this so that okay, this is auto populated one. This is so this auto populated one we have treated this one as case two. Okay, so case two is manual entry. Case one is auto populated. So central text we have maintained, so that's why it will flow automatically. Payment will be only by cash. So this one we need to enter manually, right? So we'll run end-to-end cycle with this combination so that you will not have any doubts. And I will show you the parallelly config also. Let's go to VA01. Okay, press enter. I'll give you one tip also here. It is important, otherwise you will confuse. Access sequencing is very, very important. Let's take the two quantity. So anyhow, item level we haven't done, you can give it a try. So if you come here, text. This is supposed to be sales instruction, mode of payment, value add information, need to enter. So if the language is appear, text is already there. Payment will be only by cash. This is flown from your customer master. This customer BP I have maintained. Okay. Now let's try to maintain remaining. The first one is this one. So this I'm copied. I'll maintain manually this one. So now, so if you select this, automatically see English text will come. You can able to maintain in multiple languages if you choose the all languages. It depends on the scenario, the customer. So this is value info. This is another text. User supposed to enter manually. So if text is mandatory, then only you have to make it mandatory. Otherwise, not required. So this is, let me put it one of the debit note. Okay. So now you can able to see all will come in language. Okay. Maintain correctly debit note, this one. Okay. So let's see the delivery. See one text, it is copied from where? Your customer BP. Okay. So let's see, it's supposed to be exactly copied in the delivery text also. Let's go to the header. We'll do the process. So let's click here. So now you can see mode of payment is debit, and this one is, and this is everything is copied. See, in previous session, I didn't show you, okay, how to run with both the combination manual and automatic. Okay, so in real time, maybe like 20, 30 text types will be there. Depends on the scenario they will enter. They don't enter everything. That's what I'm telling. Okay, let's go to the picking. So let's do the picking for this, and this is the batch item. Let's enter this. Okay, no problem. Easy. Similar thing is supposed to happen for VF01 also. So after this, it is important. I will show you the config also. Okay. So what till now, what we have done, quick recap. So I made a small change also. So now see this, everything is copied. Mode of payment, debit, and value. Okay. So this is done. So to flow the customer, BP, right? I have maintained the text actually. So click this. So this is what the text it is maintained. Now let's go to Vivo TXN. So here I maintain ZD04. Okay, let's go to the. Let me show you one by one so that for this ZD04 I have defined. You can define any 4-digit alphanumeric character for text types. So here text ID is ZD04, and I'm just doing quick recap. So This is what is your account type, account ID. So D0001. For this, I have assigned so that it will work for all customers. It will flow. So this is what. So when it is supposed to be copied to the sales order, let me show you the configuration. Okay. Here also the ZD04 I have defined. So along with that, all these three are manual ones. Okay. So for this 1000 is access sequence. This is 1011. Okay. So in configuration, I have done one thing. This I have changed actually. Don't confuse. So you take for all these three one. So better place this in the bottom. If it is fine, there is no exclusion button, right? It will not go to the second actually. Or else individually you define access sequence. For 1000 you don't put it. Okay, this is one I have separated as per process. Now go to accesses. Let's see for 1000 what is there. All three will be there. All three manual will be there. Okay, and this is for different. This is for text ID. So let me go to the accesses. Okay, 1000. If I come here, these three I have taken. So for text to flow from customer master, BP, customer BP, this I have taken separately. So when you are clubbing both the scenarios, naturally you will have a little confusion. You have to check this thing. Okay. So remaining all same, like for delivery, go to the delivery ones. So here I need to take separate access sequence. So this is, so just place your text ID since I haven't taken, so all these four. Okay. So you can able to see 1, 2, 3. So 1 is having only this one, 2 is having only this one, like that, 7 is having this one. Let's come here. So probably you can able to see 7 is for auto. Okay. So this is for, okay, 7, 6. So go to the delivery side, 1, 2, 3 I have taken, right? Let's select this. 1 is for this one, delivery side. 2 is for this one, delivery side. And the 3 is for this one, delivery side. The similar way I have taken another 3 for billing. This is the configuration you have to set it up. Otherwise it will not work. Okay. So that's it. Thank you. Have a great day. Probably if you have doubts, you can ask me. If something is not working, we'll work out through YouTube Live or else something else.